Hello, my name is Dr. Nick Comeau. I'm a licensed psychologist working here at Sage Wellness. And today I'd like to share with you one of my favorite strategies for dealing with stress and anxiety, and this is called exposure therapy. Now, exposure therapy is the practice of facing fears over and over until the fear begins to fade. And to help kind of explain how the exposure therapy works, I'd like to give a common example of a fear, and this would be social anxiety. So social anxiety is a fear of being judged or evaluated negatively. And so if I have a client who's struggling with social anxiety, what I would essentially encourage them to do is to face the fear in a gradual way. And so one of the first exercises I might assign is for them to challenge themselves to take a 10-minute walk around their neighborhood and simply say hello, a simple greeting to every person that they pass by. And even this small micro social interaction, it's still a good example of an exposure. And so after doing that every day for a week, they might come back to the next session. We'll talk about it, see how that went. And then maybe we would increase the challenge level. So that way the following week, the person challenges themselves to at least 3 times start up conversation with a new person. And sometimes even starting a conversation might be a little bit difficult. So 3 surefire methods for starting conversation are to ask a question such as, what's the time? Give a simple compliment like, oh, that's a cool laptop. What's the brand of that? Or to make a comment about something in the shared environment, such as, wow, it smells really good in this bakery. So the quick recap here is that exposure therapy is a process of pushing ourselves outside the comfort zone, challenging ourselves to have new experiences, and just seeing where it leads.